Today I will be teaching you guys how to fund your Forex account and not go broke at the same time. Super simple, super easy, and you can apply it right away. So let's get right into it. Step number one is to already have some source of income. So you have to have some source of income. You have to have some money coming in, something. Because a lot of people out here and they're spending their last, putting in this Forex account, and they're losing it, and that's all the money that they had. That's really not a position that you want to leave yourself in. You want to set yourself up better than that. So step number two, and honestly, I feel like this is the most important step, guys. Whatever you invest into the Forex market, you must invest the same amount into a savings account. So if you want to invest 300 into your Forex account, but you can't invest 300 into your savings account, then you don't need to be investing 300. You need to invest what you can. If you blew an account, a $1,000 account, and you were done, well, you still got $1,000 in your saving account that you were saving the same amount of time that you were investing into your Forex account. It's more of a psychological thing. You get what I'm saying? It's a lot easier for you to take that loss knowing that you have the same amount put away in the savings. You might want to quit Forex after that, but you'll have it. You just feel a lot better. And then step number three, guys, is to fund your live account. Get your live account funded, and then just start putting in massive work on your demo account. Really learn how the market works. Really just don't cut in corners. Just really go ham and really do what you know you need to do in order to be successful. You start becoming consistently profitable on your demo account, and then all you're going to do is take that same strategy and just go to your live account. You could take those same trades that you're doing on your demo and you're in profit, you're becoming profitable. You could take those same trades on your live account. Of course, you could use a smaller lot size or a tighter stop loss, but you know that you got the right direction of the market and what's going on, so you could take those same trades. At the same time, you're slowly beginning to grow your live account. You're becoming more profitable as a trader, and you're still funding your account, so you still got more money coming in, and at the same time, still saving money. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm not gonna make this super long. If you have any questions about this, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. It helps me get this content out to other traders, other people who want to see this type of content, right? And then if you like me, guys, and you think I'm a cool dude, feel free to subscribe, and catch you guys later.